Hi, what's going on, Thumper? Nothing much, I'm talking to you through the phone. Well, how have you been doing today? Well, I ate some really good lettuce and some carrots. Really? So did I. I also ate some raisins. So did I. Whoa, isn't that weird that your name is Raisin and you ate some raisins? Yeah, I suppose. Hey, do you think we should, eat together or something? Yeah, that'd be super cool. The next day. Wow, last night was really cool. I ate a lot of carrots, some celery, and some other stuff, and it was cool. And, I think we were like brother and sister or something, right? Yeah, I think so. Really? Because I'm a boy and you're a girl. Really weird. Hey, I'd like you to meet someone. His name is Choco Bunny. What's up? So that's how it's gonna be, huh? Hey, what do you mean? Choco Bunny and you? Is he like a boy or a girl? It's a girl, of course. Oh. I'm gonna eat some delicious carrots now. Steam broiled. Oh, you suck. Is it honey mustard? Oh, yeah. I want to get some flame broiled carrots and honey mustard. You know what I think? No one wants to know what you think, Mr. Choco Bunny. Sniffle, sniffle. Why are you crying? I don't know. To be continued.